Most parents carpool. That means if you're involved in a crash and you have kids in your car who are not yours, what do you do? In 2024, Los Angeles County recorded over 58,000 crashes involving injury or death. And many of these accident victims failed to pursue the full compensation that they deserved. And I will explain what steps you need to take immediately after an accident to get the full compensation that you deserve. A lot of people ask me why car accidents are such a pressing issue in Los Angeles County and throughout California. There are a lot of different reasons, in my opinion. I think the fact that everybody's in a rush in Los Angeles, it's in a metropolitan area. We have a lot of younger drivers on the road who are not very experienced. People may be confused with the road signs. There's a lot of traffic, and there's a lot of distractions in the car, whether it's the cell phone, whether it's fidgeting or working with the radio stations, whether it's checking your email or just daydreaming and not paying attention, or even driving while you're tired or exhausted. All of these are reasons that lead to the ever-growing number of car accidents. So what are the important steps you should take immediately after a car accident? The most important thing is to call for help. Whether it's an ambulance, the police, if somebody is injured, either yourself, a passenger, or the other party involved in the car accident, you need to call for immediate medical attention. Next, it's important to exchange information with all parties involved in the car accident. It's also important to take pictures of the scene of the accident, of your car, of the other car, of the driver's license, of the insurance information. All of that is very important. But if you can't because you're injured and you're being ambulanced, it's okay. If the police have come to the scene, they will take all the information, and that's something that your attorney can get afterwards. Also, you need to get medical attention if you don't get it at the scene of the accident, after the accident. Remember, pain may not set in until 7 to 10 days after the accident. So just because you feel fine immediately after when you go home, it doesn't mean you're not injured. Remember, hidden injuries are real injuries. And the last, but perhaps one of the most important steps, is to talk to an attorney. Do not talk to the insurance company. Do not talk to an adjuster. Just don't talk to anybody until you retain an attorney. An attorney can help you give the statement that you need, because how you tell your story is very important. Another important thing to remember is that if you have a car seat in the car, you have to get that car seat changed. When there's a car seat in the car and your car is involved in a crash, that car seat is no longer safe. Car seats are meant to absorb the crash, the impact of the crash. So once your car has been into a car accident, they need to be changed. Only a mom would know that. Most parents carpool. That means if you're involved in a crash and you have kids in your car who are not yours, what do you do? In those cases, it's important to immediately call their parents. If they're injured, immediately call their parents and ask for their permission to be ambulanced if need be. But always, it's important to remember that kids' safety comes first.